Are you feeling betrayed by your loved one? Are you tired of the lies? Are you wondering if you can ever trust this person again? At WeGetRecovery.com, we are so excited to give you recovery tools so you can put the tough times behind you and find the purpose you were created for. My name is Harold Haven Boggs. I'm a licensed therapist helping you rebuild your marriage and family, alcohol and drug recovery, and trauma healing. And I'm excited to have the privilege of bringing to you a toolkit for relationship solutions. University research shows that 60% of families who struggle with these issues make it through with their family intact, and their relationships are better than ever. That's the beauty of recovery. So let's begin by focusing on you support people first. It's your turn. I've created an online class where we clear up the confusion by teaching you how to recognize a crisis before it's too late. Then we recover developing a support system, learning how to be part of the solution instead of the problem, how to do self-care. Remember that, self-care? Remember what that was or used to be? We learn how to apply loving pressure, tough love, how to take a stand, how to create a fresh start. Basically, how to help someone with a drug problem without losing yourself. More about that class later. Right now, the end result of recovery is restored relationships. And the key to restored relationships is rebuilding trust. The most common question I get in my therapy practice is about trust. Can I ever trust this guy again? Can I ever trust her again? Trust is the fuel on which each friendship runs, and friendship is the key to a great marriage. So buckle your seatbelts and let me teach you the 6 steps to rebuilding trust. The number 2 trust builder is openness, honesty, and transparency. Raising the honesty level daily. We want to be an open book, nothing to hide, no secrets, and we want you to be honest mostly about what you want and how you feel. Those 2 things are valuable to every friendship. We have to get to the point. What do you really want and how do you feel in this situation? Both of those we want to hear. Information is power. And I want you to give the people important to you lots and lots of information. Now, if you have been dishonest in the past and withholding, you owe people more information. Information is power. If you've withheld information, you've been stealing from people. You're stealing their power. So make up for it now. Tell them where you're going, who you're with, what you're doing. Be transparent. If you've been withholding, if there's been dishonesty, you owe them honesty now. If you've stolen their power in the past, you owe them information. Give that freely. Be an open book. Be transparent. Be careful about what I call brutal honesty. And that's where you say something unkind and you say, I was just being honest. This trust building has no room for that. And so we have 4 questions, 4 ancient questions you can ask yourself to measure if this is a good thing to say and when to say it. Let's suppose someone came into the room wearing what you think is a funny looking hat. Before you comment on the hat and say something like, that's a stupid looking hat, I want you to ask yourself these 4 questions. Does this need to be said at all? Does it need to be said now, or would a different time be better? Does it need to be said by me? And the 4th question is it kind? If you cannot answer yes to all 4 questions, do not say the thing. So that is trust builder number 2, openness, honesty, and transparency. And it builds trust. And trust is the fuel of friendship. Would you love to have a proven plan to restore your family and help your loved one reclaim their life and get recovery? If so, I have good news. I have put together a comprehensive online course to guide you each step of the way so that you have full confidence in what to do and what not to do, what to say and what not to say, so that you can help your loved one without losing yourself. Our online course is here. I provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to support your loved one on their journey to recovery now. It's called Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. With the proper tools, you can turn this mess into an opportunity. Go to wegetrecovery.com, click on the link for the class, Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. Go to wegetrecovery.com.